How to add Calendly in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add Calendly into your Framer website. So as you can see right now on our screen, we have our website over here, just a very simple empty website. So simply click on insert over here on the top left and navigate to forms. And you will be able to see, if you scroll down, you have embed or embeddeds over here and click on Calendly. You will be able to insert your Calendly component over here into our Framer design, as you can see. Or you could also click on utility, click on embed over here, and then simply get or clone one of your Calendly events over here, add to website, inline embed, continue, and then simply copy this and paste it into the code over here, just like that, and it will simply load in over here, as you can see, with your specific event, as you can see. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.